Hello everyone. In this video, we will be talking about what is C++. As we all know, we have discussed about C++ in many of our videos, so we will be discussing in detail about what is C++. So C++ is a hybrid language developed by Nate Stuppard to add object-oriented features to C. Basically, the original language we use was C. Then, when this person introduced object-oriented programming features to the language, it becomes a new language that is called C++. It supports both procedural and object-oriented styles, making it powerful and flexible. So the C++ is not totally a object-oriented language, but it is also procedural-oriented language because we use functions in it as well. So commonly used for system-level programming, games, GUIs, and high-performance applications. So C++ is normally used to creating the system-level programs, games. Many of the games are written in C++ language. Graphical user interface and high performance applications we use in our day-to-day life. Compared to C, C++ added classes, inheritance, encapsulation, and many other features. But when compared to Java, it allows more control over memory. So we will be now going towards the difference between C, C++, and Java so we can understand what C++ offers us better. So features C, C++, and Java. Style. So C is considered to be a procedural uh, oriented programming language, whereas C++ is a procedural plus object oriented. It is a hybrid language, whereas Java is considered to be a pure object oriented programming language. In compare of inheritance, uh, we have studied inheritance in our previous lectures. So C language does not support inheritance, whereas C++ and Java support it in uh, where in C++ it include multiple inheritance, and in Java it is supported via interfaces. Interfaces is a topic you will study in Java. So compilation, C++ is compiled. C++ language is compiled and learned. C and C++ are compiled and learned, whereas Java is compiled and interpreted using JVM. Platform dependency. C is a platform dependent language. C++ is also a platform dependent because C and C++ shares maximum of the things same. Just the difference is object-oriented programming. So whereas Java is an independent language. Memory management. In C, we need to do a manual memory management. In C++, we also need to do manual memory management, whereas in Java, it is automatic using garbage collection. Now we will be seeing the structure of a C++ program. Here we can see a sample program and we will be studying about it in detail. So a C++ program is organized into logical sections that the compiler understands. These are the various sections we will be studying about. So every program must have a main function, that is this, where execution begins. From here the execution begins. From before it we have a preprocessor directives and namespace declaration. A proper structure improves readability, maintainability, and compilation success. When we write a properly structured program, so we can read it very well. Has include IO stream using namespace std int main. So readability is very nice in a well structured program, whereas also the maintainability and compilation success is higher. Now we will seeing what are the sections here. So first section is documentation section, which is not here. We can see the example given here. Example is command program to print hello C++. So in the documentation section, it is completely for the user to understand what the program will do. It does not affect the output of the program, so it is not included in every program. So it is just a brief thing. What will the program do? So next we have preprocessor directives. So here we can see has include IOStream is a preprocessor directive. Preprocessor directive has libraries and functions which we can include in a program. So after that we have namespace declaration section where we can see using namespace std. Using namespace std is namespace declaration. We are declaring the namespace std here, which is a part of IOStream library. Next, we have the main function. Here we can see int main. It is the main function. The braces, simple braces, shows that it is a starting of a it is a function, and the curly braces denotes the starting and closing of a function. Statement block. Statement block is the block inside the curly braces that is C out hello C++. That is also we can see is the output statement here. C out uh, greater than hello C++ is the statement block. Also the return 0 comes under the main curly braces, so it is also a statement block, but it is considered a return statement, return 0. So by this we are returning a value here to the function that the code is completed or not. So return 0 means program ends successfully. If we get return 1, the program does not end successfully.